Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
Today we are making garlic knots.
What is that?
I don't know, your mother's going to show us.
Alrighty.
Okay, well that was a surprise to my sister. But actually today we are going to have Katie, my sister, Savannah's mother, teach us both how to make garlic knots. So please stay tuned. It is exciting for us today. My sister,
My mother is going to teach us how to make garlic knots.
Hi, I'm Katie. So off camera, I had my brother open the can of pizza dough, and what we do is we line it on parchment paper on a cutting board. Spray your parchment paper because you don't want the dough to stick, okay?
Okay.
So the first thing you guys are going to do is we're going to set this to the side. So move this. And a little tip, underneath our cutting board is a wet washcloth. That way the cutting board doesn't slide. So Savannah, what you and Uncle are going to do, Uncle, sprinkle in some garlic powder into I'd say probably 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter in this bowl. Don't know if you can see it.
all right.
But sprinkle some garlic powder in there.
Okay.
Savannah, do some more. I'm making garlic knots.
All right, all right.
All right, Savannah, do the Italian seasoning. A little bit more. We are Italian. Come on. Good job. All right. So, since in your bowl you guys have your garlic powder and your Italian, use your spatula to mix that up.
Okay.
There you go. Nice.
Oh, that smells good. Must be all the garlic.
Maybe.
Yep.
All right. So we're going to pull this cutting board back in towards us. And what you're going to do, get a pizza slice, or you can use a knife too, but you're going to do strips. So you would probably do about, I don't know, an inch strip. Just slice it down. Okay? Just straight on down through the dough. And so that way you have your inch strips. There you go, Uncle. You do
All
some,
right.
then Savannah can do some.
Very good. Just straight like this?
Just straight.
All right.
Stick to your side.
Okay, I'll let you do some work too. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. Yep.
Now imagine if we used a serrated knife, it wouldn't work as well. It may tear the dough.
Right.
Okay.
So a pizza cutter or just a regular, sometimes for children, younger children, you can use a butter knife too.
Okay.
That way they can get involved and it's not as dangerous.
Okay. All right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the strips, and they can get long, but then you tie it into a knot and roll it up.
It's literally a knot.
Literal. That's what I was thinking. It's literally a garlic knot.
And you just roll it up.
Wow.
Okay? So there you go.
All right. Do a
All
couple
right.
more. I'll get your pans for you because I have them
That'll work.
prepared off screen.
Yes, and with the pans.
Would you
what
like me to
wanna-
spray them?
Yes, because
Okay,
you want to
very
use, since we're using the air fryer, you want to use aluminum foil and you want to spray them.
There you
Because
go.
that way they won't stick as bad. And just kind of like a little knot. Savannah, grab one, start making a knot.
My knot's so big.
It's alright, you kind of twist it and it becomes a double knot.
Here you go. I have another one for you.
Perfect. You got it?
Yep.
Long arms and reach. So Savannah, you did a great job with that one. I'm going to put mine up here. If you'll put yours on the tray. We'll let Uncle make another knot.
Okay.
And then you can do one too.
Okay.
Go ahead. Because, we do like our garlic knots.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Like kind of like a bow, maybe.
Well, sometimes.
All right.
And they don't have to be perfect little knots. And here's another tip. You could cut the pizza dough in half and do half garlic knots, so they're a little smaller and then you can feed more people. Or you can leave them big and have at it. There you go.
That's going to be a big one.
There you go. The other thing is you can do a lot with pizza dough. One trick or one little hint is we actually just made Easter bread using pizza dough. So stay tuned for that.
That was really good.
The
Good
Easter
job.
bread?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I did get some. That's right.
Yep.
Yeah, that was good stuff.
Yeah?
Hey.
You can do a lot with the pizza dough, so don't worry. All right.
So what do we do next?
All right, so now that we are done making them, let's
Move this out of your way?
Please.
All right.
All right.
Pull these back.
Yep, pull them closer to us. And see, they're nice little knots. Like I said, it doesn't matter about size or anything. It's okay. Just keep an eye on them when they're in the air fryer. All right, now here comes the delicious part. How you guys have mixed up all that yummy stuff. You're going to use this brush. There you go. And then you're going to brush the garlic knots. So there you go.
Let me get this out of your way.
All right.
Yeah, make sure that's stirred well.
Go ahead.
All right, go ahead.
Sure, I'll go first.
I'll let you two go.
I'll drop the bowl.
I think we dropped the bowl. We'd have had a garlic floor. Can I put too much or not enough?
No,
or
it's just you just
liberally?
kind of, yeah,
Okay.
keep it going. There you go. Make sure you have enough though for all of the
All right.
knots. Now here's the other thing.
What's that?
We're going to switch it. So one thing I like to do is put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on
To
top.
get cheese on them?
They get cheese.
Oh man.
Now,
It's
some
so good.
people, and well, sometimes I do it too, you can make it
All
a
right,
little
your turn.
spicy. So here, use the Parmesan and sprinkle it on. But you could do a little bit of crushed red peppers. You could do any other spices you want. There you go.
Okay.
Good job. And the oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
The best thing about the foil, not only will, with you spraying it, keep it from sticking, but cleanup's easy.
Easy cleanup?
Yep.
Very easy cleanup.
We like easy cleanup.
Oh, we love easy cleanup. And Tracy loves easy cleanup. But she does all of our cleanup.
Yes, she does. I've seen it. And so I'm hoping this won't leave as much as some of the other ones.
Maybe she'll just make me do the dishes again.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully
Well,
not.
you're okay with that. All right, now that you're done with that, let me have that bowl and you sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on. Oh, it needs more butter? Yes.
Never have enough
I was
butter.
going to say, will you keep that for...
Sure. I'll set it off to the
afterwards?
side.
Yeah.
Tell me when.
Just a little
Sprinkle
bit
away.
of sprinkle.
There you go.
Uncle, can you preheat the air fryer, please?
Sure.
Thank you. That looks good. So you can follow the recipe on how to bake these on the roll. I'm just going to have Uncle preheat this to 400 because that's what I've asked him to do. Probably about 7-10 minutes. But again, just keep an eye on it. All right? See you in a second.
Boy, they are looking good.
Yes, they are.
Won't be long now, huh?
No, they're smelling really good.
Mm-hmm.
Uncle, can you please put them on the plate?
Sure.
Thank you. They look really good.
Yes,
Oh
they
my.
do.
Oh. Wow. Savannah, be careful, but you're going to do the same. That way we have them all on the plate.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Is it okay to stack them like that? All right. There you go.
All right. Careful that it be hot.
Well, they've cooled down just a bit.
There you go.
My tray is running away.
Here, I'll hold the foil.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, you can serve them just like they are, right out of the oven and hot. Or you can do this little trick that my family loves. Uncle, start putting some extra
A little extra on.
Little extra
Okay.
on top.
Yeah, we'll do that.
There you go.
Just lightly brush them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Kind of bring it over there. There you go.
Let me pull this back towards you. Make it a little. There you go.
Oh my goodness, they look yummy.
They look great. All right.
All right. Well, there you are. Garlic knots from the air fryer. What do you guys think?
Oh, I think they look wonderful. Let's eat them.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Hey, thanks for watching.
See you
See you next
week.
week.
Bye.